Hey sis, it's me, Rebecca, your creative transformation and mindset strategist and chief bigologist at Maggie's Cupcake Cafe. And I'm here with yet another Lemonade Monday mindset tip for you. Today happens to also be Martin Luther King Jr. Day. And I want to begin with one of my favorite quotes from Dr. King. He said, "Faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase." Sis, are you leading with faith in your dreams today? I want to share this tip with you. It's all about faithful intentionality. Your intentions must be clear, right? What are your intentions for this week? What are your intentions for this month? Or your intentions for this year? Clear intentions create thoughtful actions, right? Clear intentions create thoughtful actions. So what does that have to do with faith, you might say? It has everything to do with faith, because intentionality is all about setting forth a vision and believing not only that it can happen, but putting in the steps to make it happen. Faith is putting in action, right? Putting in the steps. Even though you may not know what the end result's going to be, you know what you would like for it to be. And the only way to get there is to be intentional in your faith. Sis, how will you clearly focus your intention today? How will you intend it? All right, that's your Lemonade Mindset Monday tip. I'll be back next week with another great tip for you. In the meantime, make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and of course, TikTok. Oh, and LinkedIn. Don't forget LinkedIn. All right, guys, have a great week. I'll see you soon. Bye.